Thank you for tuning in into my channel where you find all about mixed media, art journal, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Grob and I'm glad you are here.
Hey all, welcome back to Journal with me 15 minutes. We are on page 5 I think, page 5. And yes, there is already paint here, I don't care. Today I was thinking we're gonna work with stuff you can find in your household. I'm gonna use this is actually, I don't know whether there were onion or lemons in that bag. I'm gonna use it sort as a stencil. Everybody has some sort of cardboard tubes around. Bubble wraps. If you have recently received a parcel with bubble wrap, grab that bubble wrap. They come in different sizes. There is even some in between, which is I think the more usual thingy. So I do have the really large one and I do have the really small one, but the medium sized one works as well. As you can see, there is already paint on it and I usually don't clean it too much, which means I'm gonna have bits and pieces from the previous colors in my stamping. Then a Q-tip. You also need a page of text that can be from a magazine like here, but it also can be like from a newspaper. And then we have paint. And I'm not gonna use a brush, but I'm gonna use a cosmetic sponge, which I have to grab, and I'm gonna again, I need my protecting plastic sheet here. I don't know why, but it never is here. Maybe until the end of the book I know that I have to grab that too. Who knows? Anyway, there are plain cosmetic sponges. Any sort of sponge, even some kitchen sponges would work if you don't have those. Just look around in your house what you have. And then there are acrylic paints. You could use craft paints. I don't have craft paints so much. So I use like those kind of paints. And I'm also gonna need a standard graphite pencil, nothing fancy, just any pencil you have at home. Not a mechanical pencil, I wouldn't recommend that. I have my tablet over here. I'm gonna put on the timer and then I'm gonna start. Again, it's gonna be 15 minutes. Here we go. I'm gonna start with mark making. Today I feel like circles. But still I'm gonna add other marks too. If you want to write words, whatever you want, that's fine too. Maybe I'm gonna write a little bit of art journal. Next I'm gonna use some water. I'm gonna apply some water to the page and I'm gonna start I think with yellow. And I want thin layers so they dry quickly because we only have 15 minutes. I can't go in with heavy applications. This netting I actually gonna cut off. I could have done that earlier. You can choose any colors you want. I think for the moment I go in with a little bit of white. You could also use instead white gesso. Not sure whether you can see it, but it gives a pattern. Now let's add some blue. Some light blue. I need a sort of a palette, I think. Okay. I want light blue, that means I have to mix blue and white. And I'm not cleaning my sponge so much, only if I change between warm and cold colors. Yellow works with both so I can go right in. That's what I'm looking for. And then I'm simply applying it to my... Oh, actually I wanted first. I was wrong. Add a little bit more blue in some areas like that. And now I'm going to use that. I'm going to switch my thingy here because I'm going to change color now. I want some reddish on top of it. So I do have a little bit of pink, which is really dried out. Let's see, I want to use up every bit if I can. And maybe this fuchsia. Maybe some quinacridone crimson just for a variation. Of course you can use any colors you want. Now I'm gonna cut out some circles, and they're not gonna be perfect. I don't care. I just want sort of circles. I'm gonna rough cut the square, and then I'm gonna start. And I'm not about perfection here. I can't like those signs, so I'm gonna make tiny circles. Yep, that's the timer. Okay. A hot mess. Sometimes we need those hot messes. I hope to see you next week. Take care. Bye.